What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a sliced apple. Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll need a sketch pad and a pencil. I'm going to be drawing with this 2B Styler pencil, but you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. Now the first thing you want to do is define the basic shape of this apple, which is a circle. So let's start by sketching a line coming down the center of the page, starting from the very top. We'll lightly work our way down towards the bottom. Let's go back to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now we're going to be using these two lines to help us create a circle in the center of our page. So from that center point, let's just move up to the top. Right about here, it's going to mark off the top of our circle. Let's measure this distance from the center down towards the bottom. And then we'll repeat that across this horizontal line. So measure the distance from the center over towards the left and then the right side. Now I want to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create a circle. And the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We're just using this as a guide. We'll come back and just modify the shape later. Now with our circle in place, we want to define the angle of the apple. So we're just going to tilt this over towards the left. So from that center point, let's go up and then out towards the left side and come down towards the right. And this will be the center of the core. Now the apple actually dips in towards the core. So from the top, let's step down, then it's up and then out toward the outside of our circle. Do the same thing on the right, going up and out towards the top. It's going to smooth out the ends. Let's do the same thing across the bottom. So from here, bend this down and then out. Now with the shape of the apple, I want to go a little bit wider along the top edge. So from here, it's going to go out a little bit wider than a circle. And just bend that back in. Do the same thing on the right, going wider and then pulling that in. Now the apple is going to dip down across the back. So from the top of this curve, it's going to come down and then up towards the right. Let's do the same thing across the bottom. I'm just going to flatten this off with a slight curve. And then we're just going to add the stem. I'm just going to bend this over towards the top right. It's right about there. Now let's add the seeds. On either side of center, just lightly sketch out two ovals. Now that we have the basic shape of our apple, I'm just going to go back and clean this up. Now I also want to tilt our apple back, so we're going to see the bottom edge of the skin. So let's start from the top. I'm just going to trace that curve, coming down a little bit lower across the bottom. I'm just going to bend that back up towards this point, just blending that in. Now from here, I'm just going to go in and start adding some detail and some thickness and definition to that stem, starting from the top. Just going to round that out. Come down, just bend that in towards the apple. Add some texture along the inside, coming down towards the seeds. Let's split the center open, so going around on either side of the seeds. And we're going to add a point to the top of the seed, giving it a slight curve and going back up. Just roughly shade in the inside of those seeds. Just going to add a little bit of a vein going around and back in. And we're just going to add another one going around the outside. And a little stem across the bottom. It's going to come out. It's going to darken up each side. And add a point across the bottom. I'm just going to trace out the inside edge of the skin, going all the way around the apple. So let's go back up to the top. Just going to do one final cleanup before we get into some more detail and shading. I'm just going to go back to the stem and add the little fine details, starting off darker across the tip. and just fading that down. Just want to darken up the skin of the apple. I'm just going to go back and darken up the stem to create some contrast. Now we can use the side edge of our pencil to add some of that texture coming down the middle. Just softening up that vein going around the outside. We can also add a light shade around the outside perimeter of the apple inside. Just going to soften that up. And I'm going to add a drop shadow underneath, so going darker at the contact point with the surface, and then fading that out. Now as we get near the end, I'm just going to soften up our shadows, and always be sure to sign my artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a sliced apple. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different objects just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.